Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Downloads folder not opening, fix the working on it error in Windows 11. First method is change download folder properties. Second method is system file checking. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.